This is a guided meditation practice for achieving a deep relaxation for your digestive system. Assume a position that is most comfortable for you. It could be seated or lying down. Close your eyes and listen to the instructions that will follow. Draw your awareness to your physical body. Scan your body from top to bottom. If there is any tightness anywhere, consciously relax. Bring your awareness to the middle of your body. Relax the muscles around your abdomen. Now let us rotate the awareness across different parts of your digestive tract. As you follow the instructions, visualize the vital force, the prana energy permeating each and every part. Bring your awareness to the mouth. Relax your tongue and jaw muscles. Visualize the prana energy moving down your throat through a long pipe, the esophagus. This pipe runs down to your stomach at the bottom of the left chest. To the right side of the stomach, under the right rib cage, is the liver. This is the biggest organ of your body. Visualize oxygenated blood flowing through the liver. See the liver excreting out all the waste products and removing toxins. Next, take your awareness behind the stomach, to the spinal column. At the center is the pancreas. Visualize the glands producing enzymes and hormones to help in the digestion process and manage your blood glucose levels. Move the awareness to the small intestines at the central portion of your abdomen. This is a long tube-like organ that helps in digesting the food coming from the stomach. Visualize a healthy, well-functioning small intestine breaking down food efficiently and absorbing the nutrients into your bloodstream. Move your awareness further to the large intestine ending into the rectum. This is where the body collects all the waste material and prepares to eliminate it from the anus. Take a deep inhalation and simultaneously become aware of the complete digestive tract. Move your awareness slowly along the entire length of the alimentary canal. See the prana energy undertake a cleaning action as it moves through each part of the digestive system. Visualize the digestive system flooding with the prana energy and leaving every organ with vitality and improved functioning. See the digestive tract illuminating with good health. Stay in the sense of awareness for a few seconds. Fold your hands and offer this prayer. Dear body, thank you for giving me a healthy digestive system. My abdomen feels cool. I feel light, strong, and at ease in this state of perfect digestive health. I look forward to a blissful life. Slowly move your awareness to your physical body. Gently move your fingers, toes, ankles, and wrists. Stretch your whole body. Bring your palms together. Rub them to generate warmth. Place the warm palms on your closed eyes. And slowly, whenever you feel ready, open your eyes.